So hello, today I have solved the longest palindromic substring question from Leetcode. So starting with the example. So the example number one is input is B A B A D. So palindrome basically means that if it is B A B A D, then it's like we can read it from, it's a sequence that read the same like backwards and forwards, same from backwards and forwards. So for BABAD the output should be BAB. AB is also because is valid answer because it can be written as BAB, and from both sides it can be read. Same is with the example number 2. So let's begin with the coding. Starting with the class solution, string longest palindrome string s. So here we have defined the class solution with the function longest palindrome, this one, which like takes a string s as input and returns the longest palindromic substring. Next line is if s dot empty return. So here if input string is empty, then it returns the empty string because there is no palindrome to find. String longest is equal to quotes. So here we are keeping variable longest, variable name longest, to keep track of the longest palindrome substring found so far. Initially, like, it's an empty substring. So from here we have started the loop. So for loop, so this loop will go through all the characters of substring to check the palindromic center. Now the function will check the odd length of palindromes. What's the process? We have written int left is equal to I, right is equal to I. So if left is equal to I, then it starts at the current character, and when right is equal to I, then it starts at the current character. This like assumes palindrome has an odd length. Example ABA here, B the example number 1 here, ABA, which has B as a center, which is indeed odd number 3. Now the while loop will expand outward as long as left is greater or equal to 0 and right is smaller than s dot length. So now if current palindrome in this line of code, it tells us that if current palindrome length, right minus left plus 1, is greater, longer than our previous longest, then we will update longest using s dot substring, this one, longest s as s dot substring left right minus left plus 1. So now we will check for the even length of palindromes. So we need to assume here that palindrome has even length. The only difference from previous case is that right is equal to I plus 1. Talking about the if loop, we can see that it's the same logic, that if new palindrome is longer, we update the longest substring, I mean longest variable.